Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy ShunsTV. You feel me? We back at it again with another video. As you can see, we got the guys outside. You feel me? We got the supercharged Audi. You feel me? We got Big Mama. Y'all already know how she coming. Feel me? We got the twin turbo Scat. You feel me? We got the twin supercharged Mercedes. Look at that bitch. Not too much. Look at that supercharged on that bitch. You feel me? But in today's video, y'all, we got some banger content. You feel me? We got the guys out, like I said. We always finna run from Birmingham police, get 5 stars, you feel me? And you feel me? You can't speak on the rest, you feel me? And to that police who gave me that ticket in my Q&A video, I'm coming for you, no doubt. So, as y'all can see, I got the gloves on. We finna go ahead and commit a couple robberies, you feel me? Couple high-speed chases. Y'all down for it? Y'all, we finna go ahead and step over the slime life, cause you feel me, the last time he was on the video, you feel me, my boy, you feel me, he crashed the Scat. I'm gonna have that clip in here, you feel me? But, you feel me, that comeback is real. My boy got the quarter pound on A1 now. You can't tell nothing ever happened, you feel me? Like, whoever fixed his car did a 5 job, no cap. Like, that bitch look factory now, you feel me? I got gas. I ain't talking about the weed, you feel me? But if you want some, I got it.
You said I got it.
I don't even think they know where we at. We is in Trussville. These niggas don't play. You feel me? We is in the suburbs. You feel me? Sound crazy. Like, I ain't gonna lie, on the Audis, they superchargers is like real high pitch, you feel me? Like, that bit, it probably louder than the Hellcat supercharger, I'm not gonna lie, you feel me? Anywho, we finna go ahead, I'm gonna turn the camera back on when we get to rolling, when we get on the freeway. Before we get too far in the video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, you feel me? Try to get this video up to 200 likes, you feel me? And if y'all wanna see some more banger content like this, you feel me? Let me know in the comments. Alright, we on the E-way, y'all. We got that supercharger. We gonna do a little roll, hold on. We smoking that motherfucking audi on there. I think he said he made like 510 horsepower to the wheel. Y'all say, oh, German engineering will always be the Hellcat. Well, nigga, stop playing with me, man. We got my boy Slime Life in the cut. I'm trying to see where my boy Slime Life at. That nigga gonna have your ears ringing. Here you go. police don't get on us, bro. Because it's too much stuff going on. You got loud supercharged, you got herbal tools, nigga. You got too much stuff going on. They need to do a deed. I mean a road. Y'all, I gotta get my cartoon. All these niggas cartoon except for me. I guess my supercharger make up for it. Got my boy Surround Life in the back. This how you come downtown trim. No doubt. You feel me? Them downpipes on that bitch loud. But that supercharger be really, really screaming. Even his. I'm gonna have to ride in the car with his ass, no cap. Because when we do like a rail battle, like that nigga junk be screaming. Like his supercharger whine is so high pitched. It's like these niggas funny. What up, twin? I ain't gonna lie, my boy Slime Life almost just blew the cover. The police are right there. That nigga dropping nukes on their ass. That nigga said, fuck 12. But this nigga bullying the police, y'all. Like, he's right in front of the police. I know they're mad. Police always be on some mad shit. We not ain't going fast. It's just the cars be, you feel me, loud. You feel me? I guess I'll turn the camera back on when we pull up to the garage, you feel me? It's literally right there. So, what's up, YouTube, you feel me? Your boy got the cat out, but we also got that snake out, you feel me? Look at this little man right here, you feel me? We doing some different content. Stay tuned to the rest of the video. Hey, what you think about the roads?
Oh shit, boy, that whole guy. Oh my god. Yeah, he was on your head for a minute. Almost 3 seconds, he was on your head.
I was spinning on that 40.
I ain't gonna lie, man. I was like, in my mind, I'm like, this nigga finna do a roll, but I said, I can't do that shit, bro.
What, roll?
Man, I can't do that. Bro, all you gotta do is focus on building towards it. Yeah. And then I was like, but I can do it here, though.
I'm already knowing. Wait till I give me another set of tires. We gonna run a dig. You feel me?
I can do a deal. That's not it, though. I can't do no roll.
We gonna run a dig. What y'all think gonna happen from a dig? He said he got downpipes, intake, and a tune. His made like 510 to the wheel. You feel me? So we gonna do a dig, y'all. Give it probably like 2 or 3 more weeks. We're gonna have a video where we do a dig, you feel me? We're gonna see what they're already talking about. I already know I'm gonna be spinning, but you feel me? I don't know.
A few moments later.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
It's your turn, bitch.
This boy just cut the fuck off.
Ain't like that. Them niggas don't went crazy. But my nigga Ace went crazy.